I'm staying back here.
I think I got lined up good enough.
Maybe scoot it to the left. It's tiny. That's too far. Yeah, that's. Okay. Give it a shake. Good one. And then run away. More. Yep. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Wait.
Good job.
I don't know if I shook them enough.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if the queen fell in it.
Well, just wait a few minutes.
Yeah. Oh, go get Amelia. Or go
I see
hang
her.
out
I
with
see
Amelia.
her. She's right there.
Yeah.
All right. You want to get close? I'm not getting closer. Here.
What?
Gently, gently. Okay. Shake them hard. Real hard shake. Go. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. Come on. Gosh. I think you got like 90% of them are in the box, so.
Go check on Amelia, honey. Yeah. Hopefully that worked. Well, I guess we'll give it 20 minutes or so and see if they all climb in the box. It looks like they are climbing, yeah, towards the box, the ones on the ground. Yeah, the ones on the ground are climbing towards the box. So I think we're good. I don't see them going back up to be in the beard. Bingo. We'll report back.